Hey Salesforce Hubs, my name is Shruthi M N, your Salesforce Coach and YouTuber. Welcome to day 1 of a 30-day developer series, your journey from learner to certified developer. If you're serious about building apps, automations and a Salesforce career, when it comes to automations, I mean the flow builder. Like, share and subscribe right now. Let's reach 500 trailblazers this week. What you will learn today. Today we will understand what Salesforce development really means. Second, set up your developer org. Third, create your first custom object and fields. Run your first Apex line in the developer console. Set up your developer org hands-on as a challenge in our next set of lines of code which we will type as a medium. So we have to create a developer or the account. Now navigate to developer.salesforce.com. Fill in your details. Verify your email by selecting the right medium and sign up. After you complete your process, your org is in place, and now navigate to your setup and then object manager. To create a custom object, with the API name course. Or courses. After you select the required fields and context, save the medium as a conference to the tab, as a forum, and save your project as a sample in your notes. And I want you to comment in the comment section below if you have saved your preferences. Now select the text field as a formulae of your reference, that is the course code. The length can vary depending on the preferences. If you have any doubts or queries, you can comment in the comment section below. Now navigate to the next field, which is duration or days, as a number data type. it can be written as a formulated evidence with 4 as a medium. It depends on the level of understanding and the context that you provide. Third medium which I've chosen as a project and inheritance, which is a pick list value, and the prohibition is level. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel to understand the concepts as a formulated evidence that you have accepted my preference as a mentor. Now you can save the values as a pick list field with admin, developer and advanced as a medium. Next part of this context is currency as a data type, and you can search the specific information or the field type, which we call it as a data type, in the terminologies of the applications that we use. And now we can quote it as price. As a preference and endurance with 5 as the number. You just built your first database table inside Salesforce. A quick question. If you could build any custom application, what object would you create first? Drop it in the comments. Now, let's move ahead with our next session, that is connect to developer console. Click your profile, developer console. Now execute this apex command in your execute anonymous window. That is system.debug hello Salesforce Hubs as a context that you have understood the formula. Run this code and I will explain about this statement as a proof that it is a medium through which we place our circumstance as a message, and we call it as a system.debug message to understand the code. Now we have to select open log and run the code by opening the debug logs to see your message, and we have to select the execute button. That's your first line of code in Salesforce. Mini challenge. What do you think system.debug is used for in real projects? Comment below. Best answer gets a shout out in day 2. Quick 3-question quiz. What is the API suffix for custom objects? I repeat. What is the API suffix for custom objects? Second, true or false. Developer orgs expire after 30 days. Which tool runs Apex in real time? Answer in comments with hashtag Salesforce Hubs Day 1. I'll pin the top answers. Today you set up your developer org, created a custom object, ran your first Apex command. Tomorrow in day 2 we will learn Apex variables and data types, your first step toward real coding. Do not miss our Diwali offer. Get admin plus developer plus advanced developer courses for rupees 12,500 only using the coupon code DW2025CF, valid for 1 month. As a medium that you have to enroll within a month. This is Shruthi M N, your Salesforce coach. Let's code, grow and make India Salesforce capital of the world.